What idea do you want?
What sparks?
What's a skill you'd like to develop?
Okay.
Good morning, everyone. Today, I am going to talk about Canada, the second largest country in the world by land area. It is located in North America and is known for its breathtaking natural beauty, peaceful environment, and multicultural society. The capital of Canada is Ottawa, while Toronto, Vancouver, and Montreal are among its largest and most famous cities. Standard of living and
Okay.
Good morning, everyone. Today, I am going to talk about Canada and equality. Every year, thousands of students and skilled professionals choose Canada for better education and career opportunities. In conclusion, Canada is a country of opportunity, natural beauty, and cultural diversity, making it one of the best places to live, study, and visit. Thank you.